So ladies and gentlemen, this is our newest update, 2022 16.2. Doesn't seem like anything really changed in terms of the release notes. Nothing really major has changed, I believe. Everything is still the same from the previous updates. We are running on the latest software. And also, for those of you who are wondering and are trying to get the latest updates as soon as possible, like I am, make sure to turn this setting here from standard on to advanced so that you do get your updates sooner. If you do leave it on standard, you'll get less update notifications and you'll get less updates on your car rather than the small ones that don't get too much. So that's it for the video. Nothing that we haven't really seen before on previous videos that I've talked about. And oh my goodness, it is 91 degrees. And oh my goodness, it is so hot. 91 degrees. That is ridiculous. Things are really starting to get hot where I live. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.